freaked out. Yeah, I know. My dog's gonna kill anyone.
You could totally give a hand job that way.
Wait, what? You could totally give a hand job that way.
No, aw.
I didn't do anything that time. It just looked pretty.
How does that make you feel, you bastard?
What's going on? Oh, it's getting kind of toasty down here.
Let's kill that fucking fox guy.
Are they?
Oh, he was in last place anyway.
Are you sure that's not rigged? I won't touch it. Toasty?
No, on me.
Burning on my lighter, dude.
Oh, not nothing.
Shit.
Smells fun.
It's hot?
Hey, it smells funny.
Not hot, dude. Touch it to your eyelid. Close your eyelid.
Oh, yes, toasty.
What?
Toasty.
He's waiting for us, dude. Join him.
You're weird.
I'm recording.
You're recording, Michael.
You know.
Your phone is on your pen.
Oh, what a... Alright, I'm gonna go set up zombies. I'll send you guys invites.
The zombies that I'm banging later.
I told you it's on your phone, on your leg, silly boy. You silly banana. Ow. Excuse me. That was cute.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get in the zombies right now, dude.
God, I was talking to you.
I'm gonna get in the zombies right now.
Alright, don't go yet. I'm gonna be leaving soon.
What?
You fogged up my camera, you hoe.